Master the art of practice and review. SAT writing tips. Hello, future SAT conquerors. Today, we'll dive deep into one of the most pivotal strategies for success in the SAT writing and language test: practice and review. It's not just about knowing the rules. It's about familiarizing yourself with them so well that they become second nature. We've all heard the phrase, practice makes perfect. But in the context of the SAT writing test, it's better to say, consistent practice makes perfection achievable. Here's why. 1. Familiarity with question types. The more you practice, the more accustomed you become to the types of questions you'll encounter. This reduces the time spent figuring out what's being asked. 2. Time management. Practice helps you get a grasp of the pace you should maintain. With time, you can finish the test comfortably without rushing. 3. Building confidence. Knowing you have repeatedly tackled and succeeded at similar questions will boost your confidence on the actual test day. While practicing is vital, it's only half the battle. Reviewing your practice sessions is where the real magic happens. 1. Identifying mistakes. Look for patterns in your errors. Are you consistently missing punctuation questions? Or perhaps those involving sentence structure? Recognizing these patterns will tell you where to focus. 2. Understanding rationales. Don't just note that an answer was wrong. Understand why it was wrong. Go through the explanations, even for questions you got right. There's always something to learn. 3. Adapting strategy. If a particular approach isn't working, or if you find a shortcut or a method that serves you better, adapt. The SAT is as much about strategy as it is about knowledge. The key to success is creating a feedback loop between practice and review. Here's a simple strategy. 1. Set a routine. Dedicate certain days of the week for practice and others for review. 2. Set goals. Before starting, have a clear goal. Maybe today's aim is to finish 10 questions in 10 minutes or understand comma usage better. 3. Reflect. At the end of each week, look back. Celebrate your successes and identify areas for improvement. 4. Seek feedback. If possible, have a mentor, teacher, or friend look over your work. A fresh set of eyes can catch things you might miss. And there you have it, the roadmap to mastering the SAT writing and language test. Remember, it's not about how much time you invest, but how effectively you use that time. Practice, review, and continually adapt. Best of luck, and here's hoping this video brought you one step closer to your dream score.